Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі студенти! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to recommend you top Ukrainian cartoons that you can watch to practice Ukrainian language. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо. Let's get started. Guys, I picked up for you 5 old cartoons and 5 modern ones. The old ones I used to watch when I was a child, so I love them so much. They're so fun and kind. The first one is called Жив був пес. Жив був пес we can translate as Once Upon a Dog, and based on the Ukrainian folk tale Sirko. Sirko is a typical Ukrainian dog's name, and the cartoon is full of Ukrainian songs. It shows Ukrainian life and traditions. It is interesting that the city of Oleshki in the Kherson region played a key role in the appearance of this iconic cartoon. Highly recommended. Number 2. Як козаки сіль купували. Як козаки сіль купували is translated as how the Cossacks bought salt. This is an animated cartoon which is one of the series of the cartoons Cossacks. Oh my god, I love them so much. The Cossacks cook borscht, but it turns out that they have run out of salt. They go to the fair where they meet chumaks. They tell how they traded salt, but it was taken away by the evil master. The Cossacks find salt and return it to the chumaks. Chumak, that was the name of the old profession where people used to bring salt, to sell salt, you know, like several centuries ago. Sugar, salt, it was very important and costed a lot. Yes, so the next one, oh my god, it was my favorite one. Як Петрик П'яточкін слоників рахував. Як Петрик П'яточкін слоників рахував. How Patrick П'яточкін counted elephants. So Patrick П'яточкін, this is the name. The cartoon tells about the restless boy Patrick П'яточкін. Neither parents nor kindergarten teacher could cope with him. One day during their day sleep, Patrick could not fall asleep, and the teacher advised him to count the baby elephants. Patrick had a strange dream that changed his character. Yeah, so when I went to kindergarten, I couldn't sleep there too. So I don't know, therefore maybe I love this cartoon so much. It is very kind and sweet. Kapitoshka. Oh my god, love it so much. Kapitoshka. A cheerful, kind and instructive cartoon about a cheerful rainbow creature, a drop of pure summer rain named Kapitoshka, which brings joy and overcomes sadness. Yeah, it's just like, yeah, I think I have to watch this cartoon again because it's just antidepressant. Yeah, very sweet. And one more old Ukrainian cartoon that you can watch is called Ivasik Telesik. Ivasik Telesik, again, this is the name. Cartoon based on the Ukrainian folk tale about Ivasik Telesik. This cartoon is about a boy who defeated an evil snake. It teaches children that it is forbidden to go far from their parents and go somewhere with strangers. You can ask me, Inna, okay, I would like to watch these cartoons, but probably I don't have very good level of Ukrainian. Do these videos have subtitles? Guys, unfortunately, I think most of these videos, they don't have subtitles, English ones, but you know, when you go on the YouTube channel, you can click there on the bottom, like subtitles, and click like auto-generated ones, so you can pick up English there, and probably the translation won't be great, but still you can watch it and you can pick up some vocabulary, and I'm sure it will be very useful. And if you have a teacher, you can ask to watch this together with your teacher, or you can then pick up some useful vocabulary from it. It's very useful. Now I'd like to recommend you modern Ukrainian cartoons. And the first one is called Літа мої, My Years. My Years is a Ukrainian animated film based on the paintings of the Ukrainian artist Maria Primachenko, whose work is a national cultural heritage of Ukraine. Images from the artist's works became the basis for the characters of the film. The film allows the viewer to feel the most important thing in Maria Primachenko's work, the victory of goodness and peace, the life of our people. The next one, Микита Кожум'яка. Микита Кожум'яка, the dragon spell, also this is the name. The cartoon was based on the motifs of a Ukrainian fairy tale with the addition of modernity. The film tells the story of the boy Mikita, the son of a hero who saves his friends and the fairy world from the evil dragon. Клара та чарівний дракон. Clara and the magic dragon. Clara, again, this is the name. The cartoon tells about the adventures of the girl Clara, who tries to save the magical dragon from the forces of evil. Украдений місяць. Кум. Украдений місяць is translated as the stolen moon. Kum, it means godfather. Animated fairy tale The Stolen Moon Godfather won at the Festival of Animation Studios in Paris in the nomination Best Story. The fairy tale is based on the story of a Cossack who was saved from the death by spirits. They endowed him with the magical properties of a character and gave him the task to protect the main shrine of the Cossacks, the moon. Пес Патрон. Patron the dog. Multiserial, animated series. Guys, have you ever heard about Pes Patron? This is a superstar dog in Ukraine, and yes, it's a dog who help the workers to demine territories, and therefore he's very famous. The series of cartoons tells about the adventures of Patron, who teaches handling of explosive objects. The cat Tom and the Ukrainian animals that have become famous for their courage help Patron in his adventures. The Patron dog is a Jack Russell Terrier super dog that became famous from the very beginning of the full-scale invasion to Ukraine, and since then has been the mascot of the State Emergency Service. He's so cute. Oh my god, everybody loves Patron. So guys, all these old and modern cartoons you can watch on YouTube. And I would like to recommend you another very famous modern cartoon, but unfortunately you can't watch it on YouTube. And I know that you could watch it in many countries when there was a premiere, but probably you can find on some stream websites and pay money and watch it. But I want to tell you about it. Мавка лісова пісня. Mavka the Forest Song. Ukrainian animated fantasy film based on Lesia Ukrainka's drama Forest Song and based on images of Slavic and Ukrainian folk mythology. The film tells about the interaction and confrontation of two worlds, magical and human. The leading theme, according to the plot, is the confrontation of good and evil. Both old and modern cartoons are based on Ukrainian fairy tales. They convey the traditions, everyday life, culture and beliefs of the Ukrainian people. Some of the modern cartoons, of course, touch on modernity and have an educational character for both children and adults. I hope you will enjoy watching these cartoons. Please share your opinion about them in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear whether you like them or not. My dear Ukrainian language lovers, If you would like to dive in the beautiful Ukrainian language and culture, I would like to invite you to check out my online Ukrainian language school Speak Ukrainian at the website speaky.com. There you can buy a trial lesson for $1 and have one-on-one lessons with the professional PhD teachers from Ukraine. Also, we have online courses. The next edition of the course From an Upset Beginner to a Confident Speaker will be launched in May. Check out our textbooks, flashcards, and also if you want to support me and my content, please, I'm very happy for your support on Patreon or all your donations. And if you want to buy Ukrainian merch and support people in Kherson, I help them still because there is a big humanitarian crisis, and you're welcome to check out my charity store, buy t-shirt, save Ukrainian life. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Ваша вчителька Інна, your teacher Інна, and papa, bye-bye.